안녕하세요 everyone. Today I'm going to cook the braised pork with the preserved vegetables. It's a Chinese dish which I love, but not like the proper way. Today is a kind of I don't want to cook day. Do you have a kind of day? Even I love cooking, sometimes just tired, but I don't want to go out. I don't want to order any food, and some particular dish stay here. So I crave that dish. So I decided to cook quickly. So I just finished taekwondo lesson earlier, and then went down to the supermarket here in Singapore, NTUC, and then bought the pork bellies. And I found this kind of the pickles. Yeah, the pickles. Then I use garlic, and what else? Oyster sauce, soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, the Chinese cooking wine, this one, red vinegar. When I'm tired, I really want to have something very sour, refreshing. So let's get started. And then I'm going to add this bit of sugar. Okay, so then the pot, right? I'm going to use a pressure cooker. So I'm so tired to cook longer, so make it easier. Okay. So I'm going to cut this pork. Before cut the pork belly block, let's just smash and cut the garlic. Yeah. So garlic done. I always wish someone cook for me. Okay, so just a big chunk, and that's all. Then, so I'm going to use a pressure cooker today and add some oil here. Saute the garlic until fragrant. And ready. Some butter. And oyster sauce. A big killing rice. Smells nice. Let me taste a bit the soup. Oh, yum. So I'm going to close the lid this one. So now the pressure is on. You see, right, this one will pop up. So I'm going to lower the heat and cook for about 15 minutes. Set the timer 15 minutes. And see you later. Okay, so the pressure is off. Look at this. Wow. Ah, so nice. Hi everyone, so thank you for watching me cooking. So this one done today. It's quite nice. It perfectly pair with fluffy, freshly cooked rice, so I need to cook the rice now. Yay! Thank you for watching. Today is not the Korean dishes, Korean foods, but sometimes, no, occasionally I cook other kind of cuisines, Italian, Chinese, Spanish, French, Thai. These days I'm really passionate to cook Filipino food. I love them. So I just want to share what I'm cooking daily. Usually even I'm tired, I have no motivation to cook actually today. But after cooking, I feel so good because it's so yummy. If you can share what are you cooking in the comments, that would be great so we can help each other to motivate cooking healthy, delicious food every day. 자요, 파이팅, 아자아자 파이팅. Thank you for watching. 사랑해요. See you next time.